If you're looking for information on the Hide My WP Ghost Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Hide My WP Ghost Lifetime Deal was launched on appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Hide My WP Ghost Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Hide My WP Ghost, best WordPress security plugin. Hiding your WordPress site behind Cloudflare or other CDN services can't protect you against hacker bots and spammers. Hide My WP Ghost is a premium plugin that protects your website from hackers, spammers, and crawlers. It's the only security plugin that works on all devices and browsers, including mobile phones and tablets, and it's easy to use. This amazing tool allows you to hide your WordPress login page so that no one will be able to see it. You can also password protect pages in order to make sure they are hidden as well. The best thing about this tool is that it doesn't slow down your website speed at all. Here is a plugin that can help you protect against hacker bots. It's easy, just install the program on your WordPress site and it will monitor all of the vulnerable paths from then on out. Hide My WP Ghost features, custom login and logout redirects. If you're like us, you use WordPress for your website. You also know that if someone can get to the login page, it's game over. We've all heard of hackers getting access to websites through vulnerabilities in plugins and themes. But did you know there are ways they can do this even when there is no plugin or theme installed? That's right, they could find a vulnerability in something as simple as the redirect function on your site. This is why Hide My WP Ghost was created, to protect against these attacks by hiding the admin login, logout pages from everyone except admins and super admins. Hide My WP Ghost is an easy-to-install plugin that makes sure only administrators have access to the admin URL for logging in or out of their sites. Change classes, names, and IDs in the site source code. Hiding your WordPress login is a great first step, but you also need to hide the admin bar and other things that may make it easy for someone who shouldn't be there to find their way around. Hide My WP Ghost can help with this by hiding the admin bar based on user roles and changing classes, names, or IDs in your WordPress site source code to keep it from being found by someone who shouldn't have access. This plugin will allow you to protect your website from unauthorized users while keeping all of its functionality intact. It's like having an invisible shield surrounding every aspect of your website without any noticeable impact on performance or usability. Brute force protection. Webmasters are always looking for ways to protect their sites and gain more traffic. While there are many plugins that offer some level of protection, they aren't enough in most cases. You need something with a bit more bite. Hide My WP Ghost is the ultimate security plugin for WordPress. It's easy to use and comes with advanced features like login attempts, reCAPTCHA protection, and IP address blacklisting. It also offers you peace of mind knowing your site is safe from hackers, spammers, or any other threat out there. Users log. You know that you should keep an eye on what's happening with your WordPress website, but it can be hard to find time to do it. It's easy for hackers and spammers to get into your site if you don't have the right security measures in place. This makes it more difficult for you to protect your brand and reputation online. A tool like Hide My WP Ghost is exactly what every small business needs when they want a comprehensive monitoring system that works 24/7 without taking up too much of your time or money. You can always know who's doing what on your site and with whom. You'll be able to see every action taken by users in the last 30 days when logged into Ghost for WP, all from one dashboard. Instant email alerts. Security is a big concern for all WordPress users, especially in the wake of so many high-profile attacks. The problem with security plugins is that they can be complicated to set up and use, which means you might not get the most out of them. They also don't provide any context about what's happening on your site or why it matters. And if you're running multiple sites, then you need to know whether an attack affects one site but not another and why. Hide My WP Ghost solves these problems by providing simple email alerts when there's been suspicious activity on your website. No matter how small, that may require attention from a human expert rather than just being blocked automatically by software alone. It helps keep hackers out while still allowing legitimate updates and changes to happen without interruption or alert fatigue. And best of all, it's easy to set up and super lightweight. Drawbacks. This plugin doesn't have any drawbacks as far as we have tested it. But if you find a problem, please feel free to leave a comment in the comments section. Hope this plugin will help you with your WordPress website security. Pricing. This plugin has 4 pricing plans starting from $30 for one site, $149 for 5 sites, $299 for 10 sites, and $640 for unlimited sites. But currently this plugin is available for lifetime deal in appsumo, starting from $59 for 10 websites, $118 for unlimited, and $177 for unlimited sites, with white label option. With the ability to customize your own security plugin and have it be seen as an agency's service, Hide My WP Ghost is a great option for freelancers who want more control over what they offer. In short, hiding WP Ghost will give you full control over how much branding appears on each installation. Hide My WP Ghost is the ultimate WordPress security plugin that you need. This plugin solves all of the problems related to website hacking or spamming, from simple email alerts when there's been suspicious activity on your site, no matter how small, that may require attention from a human expert rather than just being blocked automatically by software alone. This plugin has everything you could possibly ask for in terms of protecting your brand online. With 4 different pricing plans starting at $30, this plugin will suit any budget, with its lifetime deal currently available through AppSumo.